Do you want to speak English with confidence, pass your exams, or impress in your career? You are in the right place. Hi, I'm Moss and welcome to Moss English Academy, where we empower learners like you to master English for life. From kids building a strong foundations to professional refining business English and students acing international exams, we have got you covered. Engaging lessons, boost fluency and confidence, strategies for exam success. I will guide you step by step so you will achieve your goals faster than you thought possible. Please like, share, and subscribe now. Join Moss English Academy today. Subscribe now and let's start your journey to mastering English for personal, academic, and professional success. I'll be right here, guiding you every step of the way. Learn, achieve, and succeed. See you in the next lesson.